I'm out here and I need to get my cutters. And this is why I want to get my cutters. I'm not ready to cut. But here you have, looks like a yellow pepper. Oh man, that is yellow. I'll probably save that plant, bring it on in. I got some more peppers here. And I got some more peppers here. And I got one all the way back there. Oh yeah, that's gonna wait. When is it the right time to pick a pepper? Peter Piper picked a pepper. Oh yeah, they still got flowers going. Look at the flowers, man. Is it the right time to pick this pepper right here? How about the one back there? There are two peppers need to be picked, and there's one here. And look, all the way back there, there's another 2, 3. I don't know if there's 4, but those are peppers. How am I going to pick it if I don't have a free hand? Oh yeah, pick a pepper, say. How about this one here? So there you are. That's when it's ready to pick a pepper. So let's go grab those peppers. They're ready for be picking. Yes, indeed. Enjoy your pepper.